Hey guys, hi YouTube, welcome back to the channel. So I didn't plan on doing this video, but literally I was wearing these shoes today and I got like 3 compliments. 1 from a guy, 2 from 2 ladies who were curious about them and blah, blah, blah. So I was like, you know what? Let me come on here and do a quick review on them. So yeah, let's the ones right here. Okay, so these are the Birkenstock clogs. I'm going to leave the specific style down below and I'll also link them if you guys want to check them out. So the funny story is my husband got these about 2 months ago and he's been using them on and off. So this is a good time to review them. And so one time I used them to go pick up our son and I ended up stretching them out because I have wider feet. He has narrow feet. So he was like, just keep him. And I was like, oh, I'm sorry. Like, you serious? Are you sure? And yeah, so I have them. So I was wearing them today and I got so many compliments left and right. And I was like, you know what? Let me talk about it. So Birkenstock clogs, they go about, you're going to spend at least $180 or so. We got some for our son as well. And I want to say that I'm not like, I wasn't out there looking for this type of shoes. I almost bought the dupes because I'm like, I don't really need them. I usually have my Crocs for picking up and dropping off and all that stuff. And I was like, I've been kind of eyeing them on him. And I'm like, how do those feel? And he's like, they're comfy. So I put them on and my feet felt so good with socks on. I was like, you know what? I'm going to use them. So yeah, overall comfortable. Really, really comfortable. Compared to the Birkenstock sandals, I think the Birkenstock sandals are way more comfy. I don't know how to explain it, but it feels different. Buckle on the side. There's also one that has the strap in the back. So if you want to do sports mode, like we joke about Crocs, but you can do that with that as well. And I would say they do really form to your foot and they get bigger because me and my husband are the same size. So these are 11s and they're still kind of big depending on which socks I wear. So if you like wearing thicker socks, maybe just get your regular size. But I also feel like they do really open up over time. Like now they're loose on depending on what socks I wear. So the size is interesting. You could go down if you really wanted to, because over time, if you wear thick socks, they eventually are going to open up, especially if you have wide feet like me. So from comfort, from 1 to a 10, I would give it like a 7, 8. They're pretty comfy. The other thing that I like is I don't like shoes. I love to wear sandals, but it's getting cold. It's getting chilly out there. I usually do my typical Crocs, but Crocs we all know are not as dressy, and Crocs are also, made of that plasticky whatever, so they can, something can go through it. So these are they have the foam at the bottom, like the typical Birkenstock. And this particular one that we got is also waterproof at the top area. But I mean, of course, you're going to get your feet wet if you're walking around. So one of the things I really liked is if I'm rushing out of the house and it's raining, I could easily put socks on these and just go. I'm not saying to walk around all day. Eventually your feet are going to get wet. But for the time, like just for short periods of time, like picking up or going to the grocery store down the street, it's fine. But overall, I would say, yeah, they're comfortable. I feel like they're a little bit step up from Crocs for me. And you could definitely wear dresses, jeans, leggings, with these, depending on if you wear lower socks. I know a lot of the younger people are doing the longer socks with this and leggings, but for me, I also love them with wide leg jeans. You could do that, the ripped ones and all that. I'll show you guys some examples of how you can wear them. But overall, I mean, they're okay. It wasn't like something that I really wanted, but I tried them on just for comfort and I like them so far. And I would recommend them. I mean, the 180, the price, that's Birkenstock, But I feel like Birkenstock, the quality has also gone down to me. They're okay. They come in really nice colors. They're okay. I really can't say that I'm like, yes, go out there and get them. But so far, they're comfortable.